The Constitution of India. Part 4. Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 38. State to secure social order, for the promotion of welfare of the people. The state shall strive to promote the welfare of the people, by securing and protecting as effectively as it may a social order, in which justice, social, economic, and political, shall inform all the institutions of the national life. The state shall, in particular, strive to minimize the inequalities in income, and endeavour to eliminate inequalities in status, facilities and opportunities, not only amongst individuals, but also amongst groups of people, residing in different areas, or engaged in different vocations.